Welcome to the Icas training workshop for both Report 191 and NCV programs. We are fully aware that some of you are Report 191 lecturers and others are NCV. Therefore, some of you will have with you the Icas guidelines and templates for Report 191, while others will have the NCV guidelines and templates. Whether assessments are set, moderated, and marks verified for Report 191 or NCV subjects, the generic principles remain the same. In this course, the following modules will be covered: the importance and purpose of the Icas, the setting of assessments, the moderation process, and the recording and verification of marks. The workshop consists of interactive sessions that require you to do activities taken from Report 191 and NCV subjects, and to hand in an assignment. You should have the following documentation at hand: your subject guidelines or syllabi, the relevant assessment guidelines, NCV programs, the latest Icas guidelines, the latest Icas templates, relevant subject textbooks, the Department of Higher Education and Training document, a quick guide to the typing and editing of question papers and marking guidelines. The approach to this workshop. Remember, the focus for this training is on planning for assessment, setting qualitative assessments, to do proper moderation, and to verify that marks are correct. Let's get started with Module 1, the importance and purpose of the Icas. Please pause the video now. Welcome to Module 1. The importance and purpose of the Icas. Module 1 covers the importance and purpose of the Icas in 2 sessions. In Session 1, you will learn the following: an introduction to the Icas. In Session 2, you will learn more about the differences between this and previous versions of the Icas, what is expected of TVET colleges, and the role of the Department of Higher Education and Training. Session 1. An introduction to the Icas. What is the importance and purpose of the Icas? Icas provides the opportunity to assess students on an ongoing basis in the normal teaching and learning environment, beyond the constraints of an examination process. It is integral in supporting the teaching and learning process. Both the student and the subject lecturer are able to evaluate student progress and determine whether remedial interventions are needed. Let's analyze this in more detail. It prepares the students for external examinations through formal assessment activities. It contributes towards the calculation of their year mark to give them access to the external examination, and it counts towards the calculation of their final examination results. This is just to mention a few. What is the purpose of the Icas guidelines? They ensure that standards are maintained, they ensure consistency, and they ensure that assessments reflect quality and credibility. So, in short, they help with quality assurance. Quality assurance in the assessment process refers to moderation, monitoring, and verification, and serves to strengthen its credibility, and thereby the credibility of the qualification. Icas guidelines thus ensure consistent standards with reference to the planning for assessment, work schedule, assessment schedule, setting and moderation of assessment tasks, pre-assessment quality assurance, conducting and marking of assessment tasks, post-assessment quality assurance, moderation and verification, post-assessment quality assurance. This brings us to the end of Session 1 of Module 1, in which we covered the importance and purpose of the Icas and the purpose of the Icas guidelines.